Hola mis amigos, we're making spicy Thai chicken. We're starting off with our seasoning sauce mixture. So here I have 3 tablespoons of tomato paste along with 1 tablespoon of Sriracha sauce and then 1 teaspoon each of chopped ginger, crushed red pepper flakes, and salt and pepper. And to that I'm going to add about a tablespoon of fish sauce, along with 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. And I'm just going to give this a quick mix. And finally, we are going to add 1 cup of full fat, unsweetened coconut milk. And you really want to make sure you get all of that cream because we are making this nice and keto. So we want all of that fat that's involved in the coconut milk. And once you have that combined, that's all that there is for the sauce. Here in my slow cooker, I have 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, which I believe turned out to be about 10 thighs for me. You can use the bone in as well. And on top of this, we are just going to add that wonderful Thai sauce that we just made. Okay, so this part is optional, but I actually have the spare time today. I don't have to actually start this recipe cooking right away. So what I did is I have some gloves on and I'm just going to massage that coconut sauce right into the chicken. And I'm actually going to let this marinate for about an hour before I go on to the next step with the cooking process. But again, I just have that extra time today, but this is totally optional. You don't have to do this. So the next step after this will be to cover this with a liquid. So I am going to, after this marinates, I am going to get some chicken stock, and you want to pour just enough to cover the chicken, and then you're going to be good to go to start cooking. So I will see you when I'm at that point where I'm adding the liquid. And then after that, we will have dinner. We are back and the chicken marinated for about 1 hour. Again, that is optional. So now I have a little under a cup of chicken stock. And I'm just going to pour that right in. You just need enough liquid to cover the chicken. And yeah, that's gonna use the entire cup. So about a cup or so. We are now all set to cook. So I am going to be cooking this on low for 6 hours or on high for 3 hours. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet for a side dish because we do want to keep this low carb today. I'm probably going to roast some zucchini or something, but you just want to serve this with whatever side you enjoy. So I will see you when it's done. Spicy Thai chicken. Enjoy, and I'll see you at the dinner table.